Well, it's a big old day 40. Heading up Eagles Pass today. Me and Austin are ripping up. We're gonna meet Jason and Jesse up there. Kind of last minute plan. My seat is frozen rock hard this morning. I guess it's just totally saturated. So it looks like I'll be standing up the whole way. Shout out to, I think it was Ryan I met in the parking lot this morning. He came up to me, said he watches my videos. Thought that was pretty cool. Hope you had a good day ripping up here. There goes his rail. Oh, ouch. Oh. Just got a full group sitting at the bottom of this big hill, climbing it. That does not seem like the best idea. Yes, let's climb this giant hill with my friends sitting at the bottom so I can bury them. This guy just comes flying up over the hill, almost right into the pool. You don't know this area, do you? That almost would have been really funny GoPro footage. You know, I just wanted to side hill across here for a cool little shot, but the wet snow sucked me right down and we're not looking so hot. Looking for gold, boys?
Got Parker Schneebel over here.
These guys don't really know what they're doing. They're still not out. We're out. Well, fun little jump session here. Jason sent it pretty friggin' far. But maybe we should go check on Austin. I think he's having some technical difficulties. He looks tiny. The pillow looks small from over here. Send it, Jesse. Such a good day up here today. You know, there's clouds over there, but we've kind of just been in the sun all day. It stays open just right above us. Perfect. Oh, the turbo dew is getting stuck on the flats. Oh, that's funny. Taxi! Yeah, go for it. Well, the sun came out today, which is nice, but now we got a terrible sun crust. There's no winning. Looks like the old Summit 583 didn't make it off the mountain today. Oh, it looks like we got another down sled up here. Oh, well, the new Mountain Cat only made it about 200 feet farther than the old Summit 583. Whenever you're ready, boss.
So, spending all this time in the backcountry, I was safe, thank God. Well, let's see if this thing even works.
I think it works.
Yeah.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. You got to see some jumping, which I don't usually do. I just kind of play in the trees most of the time and maybe some re-entries and stuff. But yeah, I actually had a ton of fun today jumping. Every time I do it, I really enjoy it, but I just never actually do it. So we'll see if tomorrow we do more jumping, because it looks like it's going to be straight bluebird tomorrow, which would be wicked. We haven't had that yet. And gonna go to an area that I've only been to once, and the one time I was there, it was completely socked in. So should be pretty cool to explore a new zone. And I hear it's one of the best spots to go on a sunny day. So anyway, hopefully tomorrow's another wicked day, and we'll see you then, day 41.